Another day, another adventure to another town, which we don't know. We're going to Bad Gastein. We just arrived about an hour and a half. And it's a lovely snowy day. And it's another adorable ski town. We've got slopes right there. Straight out of the train station, you got the gondola going up the hill. See if I can go in. Up there. And then everyone's skiing there. And we are trying to find where we are. This is quite different to other towns we come into because you can only go into a town. But this is where we're on the outside of a town. Not really sure how to get in yet, but look at this, it's so pretty. And we've found a way up the mountain. We're just going to have a little explore. This is the view at the moment. Again, that's the slopes. And this is going up. And this is from another elevation, different vantage point. Seeing a different part of the city. So these are our snacks that we take out with us. We've got these amazing pickles. I know they look weird. They're really good.
And pickled peppers.
Pickled peppers. And then we love our sticks of salami, so we have a bit of that. And some sauerkraut. And then just some butter bread with it. So this is the gold too. We have a steaming hot beef broth, which when you're out in the snow is so good. We're back into town, walking along and come across a little river. Check out this bicycle just hanging. And then this way, we're trying to find a waterfall. And this is what the houses look like. Oh, and that's looking down. And this is on this side. And the water's coming out down there too. I'm going to check it out, that walk over there. Walking down. They closed this section. That would have been beautiful to walk through. A bit hairy scary. Snow's quite thick. We'll go this way. So we could walk up there and go all the way around and go up to the top. We can take the trail and end up going down the bottom. Or there's another one that goes around here. There's so many trails to choose from. I would say we go down so we can see the waterfall up, eh? And we found the waterfall. And it's raging. Beautiful. Right there. Okay, we've made our way to the bottom of the waterfall. Almost. Well, not quite there. I don't know where the bottom. Even the trails are just so useful. This one would go all the way to the bottom. Wouldn't you? You'd go all the way to the bottom.
Big flying fox goes across the town and ends up down there.
The flying fox? Oh yeah. Wow. Stunning. And at the bottom. The waterfall. The waterfall's still going down here. Just walking back up different way and notice still going. And this is walking along the town. Everything's closed, it's Sunday. But little bistro, cafes, restaurants. Of course, the tourist shops are open, aren't they, Dave?
Yeah.
It still has that upper class feel to it, the town feel, doesn't it? So look at this train. I'm still not sure if we're allowed in here or not. Oh, how'd you get out, babe?
Yeah, just over here.
Ah, right. So this train has its own little 6-berther carriage. Oh, and I'm in heaven. Look at this. All the room in the world. We're just in another carriage and there was this really piercing ringing sound and everyone else is sitting down oblivious to it. I couldn't handle it, so we moved and we found even better. Jess, this video is for you. Honey, look at this carriage that we just scored. It's a 6-berther. So you got 3 chairs there and obviously 3 chairs here. And look at the door. You got your own little booth. You got mirrors. You got your own little tables. And then, look, that's the view from the train. So I think you would love this. You should come next time, hey? It sounds good to me. There's Dad. Here's me. Bye, sweetie. I hope you're feeling better, darling. Love you.